Welcome to GK Sorted. Important questions on measurements. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel GK Sorted. Let's begin this video. Which of the following is not one of the fundamental quantities in physics? Weight. Fundamental quantities. Are independent of other physical quantities. Which of the following is a derived quantity in physics? Velocity. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Electrostatic potential. Scalar quantities do not have direction. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? Momentum. The SI unit for electrical resistivity is ohm meter. The SI unit of weight is Newton. The SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. The SI unit of luminous emittance is lux. Maxwell is the unit of which one of the following? Magnetic flux. The symbol of SI unit of inductance is H. It stands for Henry. The unit of electric power is watt. Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic flux density. Which one of the following is the unit of force? Newton. The unit for measurement of energy is joule. Which of the following quantities does not have any unit? Relative density. Which of the following is not a unit of speed? Meter square per hour. Which of the following is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. What is the unit of pressure? Newton per square meter. Which one of the following quantities does not have unit? Strain. What is the unit of solid angle? Steradian. Newton meter is the SI unit of which of the following physical quantity? Torque. Vector quantities have magnitude and direction. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Speed. Identify the unit of measuring intensity of sound. Decibel. What is measured in hertz? Frequency. Angstrom is a unit of wavelength. What is the unit of physical quantity momentum? Newton second. Nuclear sizes are expressed in a unit named Fermi. Parsec is the unit measurement of astronomical distance. Light year is a unit for measurement of very large distances. Which one of the following is not the unit of energy? Kilogram meter per second square. The resistivity of a material may be expressed in unit of ohm, centimeter. The SI unit for the average velocity is meter per second. A nautical mile is equal to 1852 meters. Light year is the distance travelled by light in free space in 1 year. One parsec is equal to dash light year. .26. The least count of the screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter. 1 nanometer is equal to dash meters. (10 raised to the power of -9). Thank you. If you like this video, please like and comment below, and also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.